On this episode of Note Tactics, I'll show you how to install Fortnite on your favorite Samsung Galaxy device. So let's get ready to build and destroy. Let's jump in it. For you lucky Samsung owners out there, you get to install Fortnite starting right now. So let's talk about the models that you can install the game on, first of all, and where to find it. First of all, you'll need a Samsung Galaxy S7, S8, S9, Note 8, Note 9, Tab S3, Tab S4, or a Partridge in a Pear tray. So the first thing you need to do is not go to the Google Play Store. Instead, you're going to go to the Samsung shop on your Galaxy device. Then you're going to find, it should be, by the way, right in your face, because it's a big deal, the Fortnite installer. So tap on it once, and then you can go ahead and just agree to everything, sell your soul, that kind of thing. Hit the install button, wait for a couple of minutes. It's not that big of a file, just about under 2 gigabytes. And then once it downloads to your device, you can go ahead and choose your control setup. I always choose to tap the screen so I can shoot my gun. And then you just wait for it to choose a match, and then you're in the game. So those of you with the right device, you can go ahead and start playing the game. And I will see you guys online. Watch your back, because the person that just blasted you could be me. So, if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit the thumbs up. Also subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video, and check out the rest of the content on the channel. Until next time, take care and peace.